I'll show you my easy solution to replacing the air filter on this 2007 KFX90. Just got one of these small air filters, kind of a universal style, from Amazon. I think it was like $8 or $9. This is an alternative to replacing the OEM filter in the airbox. To me, it just makes a lot more sense, easier to put on, and it also allows some room, a lot of room down there to get your hand in there to adjust the carburetor or do other work. The airbox is there to protect the filter from water and mud, but as you can tell, we ride through mud all the time, and the last filter was there for a year and a half, no issues. I'm driving to work and I just keep thinking about that airbox. The original one, the air filter was shaped like a weed eater air filter or a lawnmower air filter. It's got to look cool. Can I help you?
What?
Can I help you?